So let's consider this exponential equation. I'll be showing you how to break this down and how to identify the patterns behind exponential equations. And there are typically three types of exponential equations that examiners really typically like to cycle through in exams, and this is one of them. So be sure to check out my next videos that I'm going to upload on the other two types of exponential equations. So I refer to this type of exponential equation as the common factor type, because you can already identify that there's something that's going to happen there with these two variables, 3 to the power of x. But before we get there, we need to just break this down into separate terms. 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of negative 1, which is equals to, we take the 24 over to the other side of the equation, so we'll change signs from negative 24 to positive 24. So we can see that 3 to the power of x is a common factor, so we can take it out and we open a bracket. If we remove 3 to the power of x there, we're left with 3 to the power of 1 minus, if we remove 3 to the power of x there, we're left with 3 to the power of negative 1, which is equals to 24. Still maintain our 24, and then we can just simplify what's in the bracket there. Let's write our 3 to the power of x. So if you take your calculator and simplify that, or if you do some quick mental maths, you'll see that it will be 8 over 3 equals to 24, and we'll need to divide both sides by 8 over 3, because we remember we're solving for x. So if you divide both sides by 8 over 3, on the left hand side you'll be left with 3 to the power of x, and on the right hand side you'll be left with 9. And we know that 9 can also be written as 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 2. So therefore x is equals to 2. That's the value of x.